Mercedes-Benz unveils wild new rugged but luxurious off-road electric vehicle concept. Oh, this is the Virgil thing.
Yes. Collaboration with a great designer.
Is that actually off-road capable? I mean, the wheelbase looks way too long.
I don't think so.
No. Yeah. Okay. So this is a render?
No, it is. I think it's real here.
That's a photo or a render?
Hold on here. Let me see.
Hold your horses there. Well, that's
they
real.
displayed it.
That's real, but I'm just saying on the side of the cliff, whether or not that's a real photo. Anyway, it doesn't, whatever. It's very cool looking. Mercedes-Benz has unveiled a wild, new, luxurious off-road electric vehicle concept project, Maybach. Abloh, artistic director at Louis Vuitton, passed away last weekend. Mercedes-Benz says that he collaborated with Daimler chief designer Gordon Wagner on the new concept vehicle, and the company's unveiling it at Rubel Museum in his honor. Here are a few pictures of the concept vehicle. So it'll be an electric vehicle. Oh, look at the interior.
The interior is really nice.
Whoa. What is it, like one seat and a bed? Or they can both lay flat, I guess. Yeah, that's really cool. I mean, obviously, this thing is amazing. Look how long it is, though. See, that's the thing. Wheelbase, when it comes to off-roading, you want a short wheelbase.
Oh, okay.
Not a long one, because you're going to get stuck. You're going to get hung up. Either way, I mean, you're still going to do more than you're going to do in a regular Maybach. Mm-hmm. You know what I'm saying? This is
Maybach.
What's that?
Is it Maybach or Maybach?
No, it's actually Maybach, but
is it really?
Well, it's a German thing.
Oh, okay.
I mean, do whatever you want.
All right.
Well, it's up to you, man. Like, it doesn't have to be. It's not very strict. Like, you know, you gotta. We just make noises with our mouths, and we do it in different countries, and we do it in different ways. And Maybach.
Yeah, it's always a good time.
Big block, square block.
I like Big Macs.
Chalk. 10 bits. Chocolate waffle. Actually, yeah, let me have one more of those. The chocolate one's better, by the way. If you have to choose between the birthday cake, I don't know. Maybe it isn't. Maybe I don't know.
All right.
Still got to try that last one. They only gave us 2, man. They keep running out of these things.
I know, yeah.
Bieber's selling out, man. Bieber's on fire.